Good morning, everyone. Today I will be talking about discuss the visceral leishmaniasis. What is the visceral leishmaniasis? Was the epidemiology of visceral leishmaniasis, and also we discuss the immunovisceral leishmaniasis. So, fourth, what is the visceral leishmania? Visceral is the term used for different viscera or the organs of the body. So viscera is we can say different organs like spleen. All these are involved with leishmaniasis, and as the term called visceral leishmaniasis, condition of or the condition caused by leishmania. So visceral leishmaniasis, the involvement of different organs of the body by infection caused by leishmania. Now coming to introduction. Hemoflagellate. Hemoflagellate, these are a flagellate protozoa that are found in peripheral blood circulation. Example include Leishmania and Trypanosoma. Both are transmitted by the bite of the insect vector. They have an oval to elongated body, nucleus, and is a single flagellum arising from kinetoplast. Various morphological form of flagellate. First form is hemastigote, B section of a promastigote, C section of a epimastigote, D section of a trepomastigote. Based upon the arrangement of the flagellum, they eject in the four morphological stages. Hemastigote form round to oval, lac flagellum. Promastigote form lanceolate-shaped kinetoplast is anterior to nucleus and the flagellum arise from the anterior end. That is a promastigote form. Epimastigote form elongated kinetoplast is placed close to the nucleus. That flagellum arise from the lateral side and transverse of the body as a short undilating membrane comes out from the interior end. That fourth stage is a typomastogote. Uh, this is the elongated kinetoplast lie near the posterior end. Flagellum arises posteriorly and runs as a long undulating membrane. In Leishmania, a mastigote and promastigote form are seen. A megastigote form, diagnostic form found in the man. Promastigotes are infective stage to man found in the insect vector. In Trypanosoma, epimastigote and trepomastigote form are seen. In man, trypomastigote diagnostic form stage in insect vector, both epimastigote and trypomastigote are found, the latter being the infective stage to man. Leishmaniasis. Leishmaniasis is caused by an obligatory intracellular protozoa of the genus Leishmania, which primarily affected the reticuloendothelial system of the host. Vector leishmaniasis is transmitted by the bite of the female sandfly vector. Clinical features of the form visceral leishmaniasis, post-Kala Ajar, post-Kala Ajar dermal leishmaniasis occurs few months to years following visceral leishmaniasis. Cutaneous form, cutaneous leishmaniasis, diffuse cutaneous leishmaniasis, leishmaniasis recidivans, and mucocutaneous leishmaniasis. Subgenera Leishmania has two subgenera Leishmania donovani, Leishmania viennii. Both of the subgenera comparison of near 20 species. Visual leishmaniasis is a two form, old and new world. Old world leishmaniasis, depending upon the geographical distribution, and leishmaniasis is classified into two groups. In Indian subcontinent, leishmaniasis is a anthrophilic affected only humans. In other parts of the world, in zoonotic diseases transmitted from the various animals. Seen in Asia, Africa, and less frequently in Europe, transmitted by sandfly of genus Phyllobotoms. Leishmania donovani, caused by vessel leishmaniasis and Picadian. Leishmania Leishmaniasis infantum, caused by vessel leishmaniasis and Picadian. Leishmaniasis tropica complex, caused by cutaneous leishmaniasis. New World leishmaniasis, seen in Central and South America, transmitted by sand fly of genus Lutzomia. Leishmania leishmaniasis chagas, caused by visceral and cutaneous leishmaniasis. Leishmania leishmaniasis mexicana complex, caused by cutaneous leishmaniasis. Leishmania viennii branchiensis complex, caused by mucocutaneous leishmaniasis and cutaneous leishmaniasis. Now come to in visceral leishmaniasis. Visceral का मतलब है visceral organs like skin, liver, skin, bone marrow. That's it. Visceral leishmaniasis is mainly caused by the old world species Leishmania donovani and Leishmania infantum, together known as the Leishmania donovani complex, and also by new world species Leishmania chagas. Leishmania donovani is the most common species causing visceral leishmaniasis. It is found in India and Africa. It was named after Sir William Leishmania and Sir Donovan. Discovery of the parasite in a patient from Kolkata and Chennai, respectively, in the same year, 1903. Various forms of visceral leishmaniasis. Uh, Characteristic agent Leishmania donovani, Old World Indian visceral leishmaniasis, Kala Ajar, infantile visceral leishmaniasis, African visceral leishmaniasis, in New World में Mediterranean visceral leishmaniasis. Agent New World visceral leishmaniasis, Leishmania donovani, Leishmania infantum and donovani. New World में Chagas agent, vector Phyllobotom organisms, and New World में Lutzomia longipulpis. Epidemiology, Indian visceral leishmaniasis, Kala Ajar, India. Infantile visceral leishmaniasis, Middle East, Central Asia, China, and Mediterranean basin. African visceral leishmaniasis is Sudan, Ethiopia, Kenya, and Uganda. New World visceral leishmaniasis, Central and South America. Epidemiology factor. Age effective Kala Ajar, young adults, infantile infants and children less than 5 years. African visceral leishmaniasis adults, and New World visceral leishmaniasis age affecting children. Reservoir anthroponetic human, Kala Ajar, infantile visceral leishmaniasis zoonotic, and African anthroponetic rarely zoonotic rodents. And New World visceral leishmaniasis reservoir is zoonotic canine. Picadial Indian visceral leishmaniasis Kala Ajar common, infantile less common, African visceral leishmaniasis common, and Mediterranean New World less common. Lymph node involvement of the Indian visceral leishmaniasis Kala Ajar less common, infantile more common, aggravated by poor nutrition. Then the lymph node involvement African visceral leishmaniasis less common, and New World vessel leishmaniasis is less common. Epidemiology of vessel leishmaniasis. This factory leishmaniasis is endemic in 97 countries. Most of them are developing countries or tropical and temperate regions. But about 50 to 90,000 new cases of vessel leishmaniasis occur worldwide each year, of which uh, more than 90% of cases are from three regions: South, East Asia, India, Bangladesh, and Nepal; East Africa, Ethiopia, Sudan, and Kenya; and Brazil. India, one of the worst affected country. In 2019, about 3,139 cases of vessel leishmaniasis and 821 cases of PKDL then reported from India with a nil death. Maximum cases in the Bihar, 76% of vessel leishmaniasis and 52% of PKDL, and followed by Jharkhand. Life cycle of Leishmania donovani. Life cycle of Leishmania donovani complex its life cycle two host: vertebrate host, man, dog, rodents. Invertebrate host, female sandfly are genus Bottoms organ tips. Infective form, promastigote form found in alimentary canal of female sandfly serve as a infective form. Mode of infection, by the bite of infective female sandfly discharging promastigote form infective form into skin of the man. Then in humans, promastigote or a phagocytosite by the skin macrophages where they transfer into a mastigote form. A mastigote form multiply inside the macrophages causing cell rupture and are released into the circulation. Mastigote are carried out in the circulation to various organs like liver, spleen, and bone marrow, and invade the reticuloendothelium cells like macrophages endothelial cells. In sandfly, during the blood meal, the mastigote are ingested and transferred into promastigote form in the insect gut, which is a multiply and then migrate to their foregut. The cycle continues when the sandfly finds a new host. That is a now coming to pathogenicity. Various factors contribute to the pathogenesis of vessel leishmaniasis. The phagocytosis of the promastigotes facilitated by binding of its surface antigen group 63 and lipophosphatoglycan specific receptor on macrophages. LPG LPG is a principal virulence factor, exhibits variety of function. It prevents phagosome maturation and protects the parasite against hydrolytic enzymes secret from the phagolysosomes. Glycoside phosphatidylinositol, major surface protein on the mastigotes, help in protecting from phagolysosomal attack inside the macrophages. Host human response, depending on the host human response, Th1 or Th2. The mastigote are either killed or allowed to multiply inside the macrophages. First of all, T helper cell 1 response. If T helper 1 cells are activated, leads to a cell mediated human response, which contain the disease spread by secreting interferon gamma to activate macrophages, which in turn kill the mastigotes. T helper 1 response is observed in cutaneous leishmaniasis and patient after recovery and treated for visceral leishmaniasis. These individuals exhibit a delay type hypersensitivity to leishmanian antigens, positive leishmanian skin test. T helper 2 response. If Th2 cells are activated, leads to a humoral immune response due to increased of eh, production of the IL-10 and interleukin 4, which in turn cause polyclonal B cell activation, leading to hypergamma It is observed in patients developing active visceral leishmaniasis and diffuse cutaneous leishmania. Patients do not show positive leishmaniasis skin test. The parasite use the macrophage much like a Trojan horse. Mastigote are released predominantly by rupture of the macrophages. Clinical features of visceral leishmaniasis. Visceral leishmaniasis is also called as a kala jar, a Hindi term meaning black fever. This is a black fever. Incubation period 2 to 6 months. Hallmark of visceral leishmaniasis painted of fever, progressive weight loss, hepatosplenomegaly, pancytopenia, and hypergammaglobulinemia. Fever the most common symptoms of the visceral leishmaniasis. Onset the moderate to high grade associated with chill. Splenomegaly. Clinical features. Fever, splenomegaly. Splenomegaly is the most constant sign. The skin may hugely enlarged, soft, non-tender, and friable and palpable below the umbilicus. Hepatomegaly is a non-tender moderate degree. Follow this is a splenomegaly. Lymph Lymphadenopathy common in the most of the African endemic region. Femoral and inguinal nodes are affected commonly. Hyperpigmentation. Hyperpigmentation is observed on face, hand, feet, and abdomen. They name it kala jar and black fever. Pedal edema and ascites occurs due to hypoalbuminemia. Seen in advanced illness. Mucosal mucosal leishmania in mouth and nasopharynx seen in the Sudan, rare in India. Hematological abnormalities, pancytopenia and hypergammaglobulinemia. Pancytopenia, anemia, leukopenia and thrombocytopenia. Hyperglycemia due to a polyclonal B cells activation. Lismonoma. Lismonoma is a nodular skin lesion seen in African case only. This is a secondary infection. Secondary infection is a measles, pneumonia, tuberculosis, Wesley or amoebic dysentery. Splenomegaly seen in visceral leishmaniasis. Leishmaniasis, this the consistent sign the spleen may becomes hugely enlarged and palpable below the umbilicus. Then hypopigment skin change in the early PKDL, face, hand, feet and abdomen. This is a characteristic features of Indian visceral leishmaniasis. Uh, or then is a extensive facial nodular lesion in the late PKDL. Late PKDL is a non-ulcerative lesion of skin, mainly hypopigment macule near mouth, which is spread to face, arm, and trunk. PKDL. PKDL is a post Kala Azar dermal leishmaniasis. Dermal means is a skin. PKDL is a non-ulcerative lesion of skin occurs in 2 to 50% of patients of visceral leishmaniasis. Treatment with antimonials, it is aggravated by exposure to sunlight. Mainly seen in India and East African country, that is develop as a hypopigment macule near mouth which is spread to face, arm and trunk and finally becomes nodules resembling leprosy. Ocular lesions, conjunctivitis and uveitis associated in some patient. Sometimes PKDL may directly occur in subclinical patient without a history of visceral leishmaniasis. That is a diagnosis by detection of mastocysts in the nodular lesion and by serological tests such as direct agglutination test and antibodies to RK39 antigen positive in most of cases. PKDL in the Indian subcontinent occurs in 2 to 20% of visceral cases, usually after 2 to 10 years and persistent for long period, about 20 years. This is can affected in any age group. Amphotericin beta subchoice is given for 4 months. Leishmaniasis with HIV co-infection. Co-infection of HIV with basal leishmaniasis has been reported from many countries. Southern Europe, France, Italy, Spain, and Portugal. Majority of the co-infections where 50 to 70% of visceral leishmaniasis are HIV positive and 7 to 17% of HIV infected people with fever have mastocysts. Mastocysts is this is a diagnostic stage. Also reported from other places like Africa, Ethiopia, Sudan, Brazil, and India. In India, Bihar, Sub-Himalaya region, and the other North Indian states. Both HIV and leishmania affected each other's pathogenesis. That is, first is affected on HIV. Leishmania cause activation of latent HIV. It is expresses high level of chemokine receptors on macrophages. Effect on leishmania. HIV cause activation of Th2. T helper to cells response leading to disease progression. That is a clinical features in HIV co-infected patient apart from the classical features of visceral leishmaniasis such as cutaneous leishmaniasis, mucocutaneous leishmaniasis, PKDL, and atypical presentation. Chronic diarrhea and pleural effusion may be observed. Diagnosis from antibody detection tests are usually negative. Uh, Amestigot demonstrated from unusual site VAL, bronchial liver fluid and a buffy cold region of blood. Unusual site branchialveolar leavage fluid and buffy cold region of blood. Laboratory diagnosis of visceral leishmaniasis. First of all, in endemic area, any case presentation with fever more than 2 weeks, splenomegaly, and weight loss. It is suspected of having visceral leishmaniasis should be subjected to laboratory confirmation. First of all, demonstration of microscopy demonstration of a mastocyst inside the macrophages is the gold standard method for the diagnosis of visceral leishmaniasis. Smear should be stained with leishmaniasis, Giemsa, and bright stain. The various sample including Gemsa staining detects Leishmania donovani bodies. That is, a macrophages filled with mastocyte swarm. Splenic aspiration, most sensitive, bone marrow aspiration, most commonly preferred, lymph node aspiration, liver biopsy, peripheral blood smear in HIV infected people, biopsy of various organs in HIV infected people. Leishmania donovani mastocyte showing a macrophages containing multiple Leishmania mastocyte form. Uh, Useful specimen are aspiration from spleen, bone marrow, and Buffy code. Triple N medium. Triple N medium is a Nove McNeil Nicole medium. It's a culture medium of choice. First of all, A section schematic mastocyte transfer into chromastocyte in the culture fluid which is detected by staining with Giemsa stain. Culture is bound in the positive 70% cases. In bone marrow smear stain with Giemsa, mastocyte has a nucleus red arrow and rod-shaped kinetoplast black arrow. Live diagnosis of the visceral leishmaniasis culture detect promastocyte useful for siege identification and drug sensitivity testing. Triple N medium, Novi McNeil Nicole medium, uh, Scander's liquid medium. This is a Drosophila insect medium can also be used alternatively. Antibody detection in serum. Uh, Elijah, uh, Elijah IFA and indirect fluorescent antibodies, direct agglutination test, ICT, then immunochromatography testing using RK39 or RK16 antigen. Lab diagnosis of visceral leishmaniasis. Smear made from the culture fruit soup, pro-mastigote form, Giemsa stain, and triple N medium. Lab diagnosis of visceral leishmaniasis direct agglutination test. That serial dilution of the patient's serum is added with stain extract of Leishmania donovani. Amastigote on microtiter plate and incubated for 18 hours. This is if specific antibodies are present, agglutination, mat formation. Mat formation is a visual by naked eye. Uh, Button formation indicate absence of antibodies. Button form indicate of the antibodies. It is found to be 100% sensitivity and specific. It is simple and rapid and does not need any instrument. Uh, that test is a disadvantage. Antibodies persistent up to 5 years after the treatment. Antigen detection. This is a recently latex agglutination test has been available detecting a heat stable, low molecular weight carbohydrate antigen in the urine of visceral leishmaniasis patient. It is a good specific but variable sensitivity 40 to 80%. Antigen detection is a more useful in HIV, visceral leishmaniasis co-infection, in detecting active infection. Molecular method that is a format such as PCR, nested PCR, and quantitative detection by real-time PCR are available targeting Leishmania. It is mostly confined to the reference laboratory with a sensitivity varying from the 70 to 93%. Leishmania, Leishmanian test, Montenegro test. It is a skin test to detect delay hypersensitivity to a suspension of killed Leishmania donovani promastigote injected intradermally. Would positive test indicate period exposure of Leishmania antigen? It is a useful epidemiological survey to estimate the burden of the disease. It is a positive in people with a good CMI, cutaneous and microcutaneous infection, asymptomatic individual, cutaneous leishmaniasis after recovery from the visceral leishmania and leishmaniasis recidivans. This test is negative and such in case of active visceral leishmaniasis and diffuse leishmania. Animal inoculation. Animal inoculation, it is a intranasal inoculation of specimen to golden hamsters. It's a hamster goats after severe month. It is not in use nowadays. Non-specific test complete blood count to detect pancytopenia and elevated liver enzymes. Then reversal of aluminum globulin ratio. Treatment of visceral leishmaniasis. The various drugs used in the treatment of visceral leishmaniasis are pentavalent antimonials, liposomal amphotericin B, miltefosine, parmomycin. Pentavalent antimonials, drug of choice and widely used in the past of severe defects. However, as the resistance has been emerged, currently its use is restricted to regions where resistance has not developed. Doses given as 20 milligram per kg per day, intramuscular or intramuscular and IV uh, IV for 30 days. Then uh, mechanism of action, it is converted to its active trivalent form in the body, reduce oxidative stress in the parasite. A resistance from the pentavalent antimonial resistance to Bihar and India. Liposomal amphotericin B. It has been a current drug of choice leishmaniasis, especially in area where resistance to antimonial have been reported. Doses, it is given as 3 to 5 mg per kg per daily doses by IV infusion for 3 to 5 days up to a total doses of 15 mg per kg. Mechanism of the action, it acts by disrupting the cell membrane by forming pores. Miltefosine doses given uh, 150 mg per day only for 28 days. Mechanism of action by interacting with the lipids inhibiting cytochrome C oxidase. Resistance, this is a resistance to a mild poison is rare, mainly reported from the India and Nepal. Permomycin, it is a aminoglycoside antibiotic with anti-Leishmanian activity. Given IM 15 mg per kg per day for 21 days. Immunotherapy, interferon gamma has been used in antimonial resistance and in selected relapse case from Kenya, Brazil and India. हेलो हाँ आ रहे हैं WHO recommendation for the treatment of visceral leishmaniasis in the different regions of the world. India subcontinent ranked by preference liposomal amphotericin B, combination liposomal amphotericin B plus miltazapine, liposomal amphotericin B plus permomycin, miltefosine plus permomycin, amphotericin B, deoxycholic, miltefosine, permomycin, pentavalent antimonials. East Africa and Yemen pentavalent antimonial plus permomycin, Mediterranean basin, Middle East, Central Asia and America due to Leishmania infantum. This is infantile liposomal amphotericin B. Prevention of vessel leishmaniasis, National Vector-Borne Disease Control Program, vaccine trials, control measures. National Vector-Borne Disease Control Program, National Vector-Borne Disease Control Program, national program in India which works for the control of 6 common vector-borne diseases in India. It has launched the accelerated plan for Kala Azar elimination in the 2017. Target for elimination: reduce the annual incidence of Kala Azar to less than 1 per 10,000 population at Black PSC level. The blocks in endemic area of India are classified into 4 categories based on the annual incidence of Kala Azar. Each category has a specific action plan aimed towards Kala Azar elimination. Categories first, second, third, and fourth. First is 94 blocks, second is 23 blocks in categories, third is 290 blocks category, fourth is 207 blocks. Categorization block in the endemic area of the India based on annual incidence of the Kala Azar 2014. Vaccine trials: currently no vaccine is available for the prevention of the leishmaniasis. However, severe trials are ongoing. Control measures: personal prophylaxis by using insect repellents or bed nets, control of canine or rodent reservoir. Bellobottom does not fly high above the ground level and it is a nocturnal in habit, so sleeping at top floors also can prevent transmission. Early treatment of all cases, mainly orthopneutic visual leishmaniasis in picadial cases. Thank you.